Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial we are discussing about WordPress, and we are currently discussing about WordPress admin dashboard. So the next part just which I'm going to cover is appearance. Inside appearance there are different options, for example theme, and then customize, widgets, menu, header and editor. So let's discuss about this. I will show you that how this works. As you know, WordPress is dependent on themes, and theme is one of the very important feature of WordPress, which has contributed to make this WordPress very popular. Actually, the theming concept is such a powerful that you need to change in most of the times. There is 99% chances that you need to change theme only, and you don't need to change the other pages also. For example, WordPress has around 1200 pages, PHP pages, so you don't have to touch all those pages. Mostly you will be working in the theme section. So by default, when you install WordPress, there are three, and normally the three default themes are installed here. So the current theme is 2017. Okay, so if you want to change theme, then you can change the theme from here. So just if you click on activate, then your new theme will be activated here. Okay, so this new theme is now activated. Okay, so if you want to activate rather than this theme, or just before activating, you can just click on this and see the preview. Okay, so this is the preview. Now if you want to activate this, then just click on this, and now this theme will be activated. Just click on this, and now you can see the new theme is activated, which is the 2016. Okay, so apart from that, you can add another theme also. So just click on add new theme, and uh, this theme is not working currently because the internet is not connected, or else it shows here the list of the themes here. So apart from that, if you have any other themes, then you can upload from here. So let me connect to internet, and then I will show you that how you can find and uh, upload or install a new theme. Hi guys, so finally my internet is connected, so let me try. Somehow it's not working here. Okay, so let me download one theme and show you. Say what is theme. There are free themes also available which can be downloaded and installed. So let's go to official WordPress website. This is WordPress official website. So there are few other themes also which can be downloaded and installed. So these are the list. Features popular. So apart from that, you can see there are 2016 and 17 theme also available here. But I want to display some different theme. So say I want to check this theme. Just download this. Once downloaded, just copy it, or Control X. Just I'm doing this, and then let's go to the theme section, and then click on WP content. Go to WP content, and then click on themes. Double click on this, and then just paste here and unzip. So extract, or simply you can drag it or unzip, whatever you like. Okay, so now we can delete this file here. Now let's go to admin section, and then click on themes, and as you
You can see this theme has now come here. Now let's activate it, and now click on widget, and you can see the new theme has just appeared here. Okay, so it's now easy to change the theme. So also you can see the menu has changed inside the this is about company each or main page, and inside that there were two other pages. That is why it is showing here in drop down. Okay, and apart from that, now there is another method of installing the theme. For example, I want let me download this theme, and then just I'll copy this and paste here inside the theme folder. Oh, not this way actually. I want to actually show you through another way. Okay, so suppose our theme name is something called spacious. Okay, so let's go to here and then copy the path, and then let's go to here, and inside the admin go to dashboard, and then appearance, and then themes, and then uh, add new theme, or simply yes, from here also add new theme, just upload the theme. So choose file, and then go to, or so I'll write here space yes. So this theme has appeared here, and now oh, this one is also working here in featured section. You can see there are different you know uh, themes, so you can directly install from here also. So since it has connected, so let me show you by uh, adding from here. So okay, so if you click on install, then the theme will automatically get installed, get downloaded and installed into your theme directory. Okay, the theme has been installed. Now click on activate, and the theme will be activated. Okay, so this theme has been activated. Now if you click here, then you can see the new theme. Okay, so this is the new theme. And the third way to install the theme is add new, and then uh, upload the theme, and then choose here, and then go to your downloaded folder, and then spacious, click here, and then open, then install now. Click on install now. Okay, so actually my file size has exceeded the limit, so I need to change into going into php.ini. By the way, but you understand now that how you can install the theme from the this method. Okay, so you have learned the three ways that how you can install any new theme. Okay, so I will just make changes in going into the php .ini, which is normally inside the them folder, and then go to php folder, and then php.ini, php.ini, this one, and then you find here max upload size. Execution time first, let's change it 120, as well as max execution time, and then input time. So let's change here to 8M, and then max file uploads, that is the number of files. Change it